Hi, welcome back. So this is the second example I'll be giving you on LCM using the three methods I told you: factors or prime factor methods, the factor methods, and the repeated division method. So now let's start with the first one, which is what? Factors method. You know we have 105, then we have 231. Like I told you earlier, that you're going to be multiplying by 1, by 2, up to the extent where you have the same answer. So 105 times 1 will still give you 105, times 2 will give you, in order to save our time, 210, times 3 will give us 315, times 4 will give us 420, times 5 will give us 525, times 6 will give us what? Times 6 will give us 630, 735, 840, 945, 1050, and 1155. Then let's check 231. Times 1 will give us 231. Times 2 will give us 462. Times 3 will give us 693. Times 4 will give us 924. Times 5 will give us 1155. So what you observe is you observe that we have 1155 here, 1155 here. So that is our LCM. So that's our LCM is 1155. That's the method 1. Now the method 2. I told you are going to write something like this: 105 and 231. Let me tell you something. Anytime you are dividing numbers and the number ends with 5 or 1 or 3, you can't divide by 2. You understand? So you start dividing by 3. If 3 does not go, you use 5. If 5 does not go, you use 7. You understand? So this one we can't use 2, we use 3. So 3 goes here to give us 35. 3 goes here to give us 77. Then we can't use 7, we will use 5. Even if 5 can go, 7 can go in 35, 7 can go here, we use the lowest one, that is 5. So 5 goes in 35, 7, 5 cannot go here, you write here, 77 back. Now 7 goes in 7, 1, 7 goes in 77, 11. Now 11 can go here, 11 cannot go in 1, when we remember, we write here, 1, then 11 goes in 11, 1. So now, the LCM is 3 times 5 times 7 times 11. So which will give us what? LCM equals to 3 times 5 times 11 times 7. That will give us the same answer, 1155. That's the second method. Then the third method is to divide them individually. That's 105. 3 goes here, 35. 5 goes here, 7. 7 goes here, 1. Then 231. 3 goes here, 77. 7 goes here, 11. 11 goes here, 1. So how do we now get the LCM? Now, this is why this method is somehow trickish, and that's why students are finding it very difficult to understand this particular method. I will tell you why today. Now, you see, when you write this one down and you write the product of the prime factor there, this is 3. How many 3 do you have here? 1. How many 5 do you have here? 1. How many 7 do you have here? 1. Then 231. How many 3 do you have here? 1. How many 5 do you have? 7 do you have here? 1. Then how many 11 do you have here? 1. So the LCM will be equal to, now watch out. The prime factors here, you are going to write it down. The prime factor here is 3, 7, 5, 7, and 11. That's the prime factor we can get. Now you will now be checking the highest power of the prime factor of each values we have here. This one, the highest factor is 3. Check another 3 here, 61, 1. 5 is only 1, 1. 7 is 1, 1, 1. 11 is 1, 1. Then you multiply everything together to give you 1155. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.